So now we're gonna go in with a Throwback palette. So the palette we're gonna go in with is with, that always happens to me. So the next palette the palette we're gonna go in with today is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. Woo, their second palette together. So I'm really, is it their second palette? No, I don't remember. Did he have another palette? I have no idea. I forgot. Oh god. So you already know what it looks like from the inside. It has a nice little nude shade, some green. Ooh, that green is really catching my attention today. Let's see. When I look at this palette, I think of, yeah, we're going into like, I'm really intrigued with burgundy right now. But that green is also calling my name. So we're gonna go do the burgundy. Forget it. Okay, so we're gonna get a brush and we're gonna go in for a transition color. And the color we're gonna go in with is with Mr. Diva. Oh. And we're just gonna use this as a transition color. I'm just gonna blend it on that crease. So I actually been wanting to do a Q&A for a bit now. I really want to do one. So if you guys are curious about something, drop some comments down below and ask away. Or if y'all want it to be like private or whatever, go to my Instagram and DM me. I will, you know, just to like have a video or something. Ever since with this quarantine thingy that's been going on, there's really not much to do. And like I said, I did wanted to switch out my channel just a little bit and go out in the world and you guys see what I do behind, instead of being in my makeup room. But ever since that happened, it's really hard to do any videos, you know. You're like literally like out of ideas and you're trying to find something to do. So if you guys have any questions that you guys want to ask me, you can leave it below on the comment, or if you want it to be like, you know, private, anonymous, go to my Instagram. Of course, when people ask me these questions, I'm not gonna say who did it. So if you do want it to be like your name you don't want to be known or whatever, just, you know, DM me and I promise you I won't say people who ask me the question. But yeah, all right, so now we're gonna go into this color, this burgundy color, and it's in the shade Calabasas. That's really pretty. Now I'm gonna go into a more of a darker shade. Just gonna grab another. I want to go into Fast Lane, which is like really is black. So I want to be really careful. And we're just gonna apply this to the outer V. And now the next color I'm gonna go in with is with Dog Mom, which is this like nice little pink shimmer shade. We're gonna apply this right in the middle. And we're just gonna blend it out with Don't Know Her, which is this shimmer shade right here. We're gonna blend those two together. And voila. Just gonna go back in with Calabasas and fill in right on the outer V. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Go ahead and finish the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I am back. I finished the other eye. I already popped on some lashes, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this look. And we're gonna go into blush. So the blush I'm gonna go in with is with the Wet n Wild blush. Don't know the name because I ripped it off. Alrighty, let's see if I can find a highlight. Okay, for a highlight, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called 2. Alright, for lipstick, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure what I want to put on. So for lipstick, I'm already putting it on. I'm not even saying the name. But this is the Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is in the color Shouty. And for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Extra for Star Set and Refresh Mist. Voila! And this is the final look. So what you guys think? It's more like a really like dark emo. Not really. I'm so like used to doing like neutral colors, like nude looks. I really, when I go out, I really don't wear too much eyeshadow. I just pop on some lashes, foundation, make sure eyebrows are done, or lip gloss. That's pretty much it. But I feel like I wanted to change it a little bit, you know, wear something more like dramatic, not too dramatic. Something like this is okay. It's not too much, but you know, it's good. But anyways, you guys, so if I really want to do a Q&A, so if you really do have any questions for me, you can leave it down below the description box. I mean, no, sorry, you can leave it in the comments, or you could DM me in my Instagram. My Instagram information is below. You guys know that. And if you guys want to ask any questions, I promise to like answer whatever. I think that's it. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you know, just drop them down below or DM me. You know, I really want to do a Q&A, you know, give you guys a little update if you want to know anything. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it, you guys. So anyways, if you enjoyed this makeup video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.